Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Today, in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Saturday, November the 13th. Saturday, November the 13th. We have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Medium, and a quintuplet. Yes. As you know, I stopped solving these puzzles because it's taking too long for me. More than an hour I need to solve this kind of puzzles. And also not so good news today, because today in this newspaper, yeah, in this newspaper of Saturday, uh, we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. So I need a solution for extra puzzles. And it's I think 3 days in a row that we have no additional with extra puzzles. And luckily I have save the old puzzles that I have not solved, and I believe the Friday edition, not last Friday, but the week before, and the Monday also, I have an additional with 3 or 4 puzzles left. Let me show you, but let me go to that page. Oh, no. This page. Okay. Yeah. All right. So what I will do is here. I will do. Oh no, not Friday. The Thursday, October the 28th. Yeah. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 puzzles left. And Monday, November the 8th, I have. Wait, those are more than a week. Well, let me do first the Monday. Today we have 3 puzzles left. I don't think the Thursday. I need to check. Okay, but first we will solve this Medium Sudoku, of course. And this one will be 3677. Yes, 3677. Let me focus the camera first. 3677. Well, my pencils here. Okay. 3677. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. That means if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this big square, so no 1 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. Two numbers are missing in this row. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and the 8. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about? Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There 3, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 3. Should be there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 here in this big square. So no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. Okay. Then we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair now, a 2 and a 6 in this column. 2 in one of those two boxes and a 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 digit left in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 2. Alright. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. Then we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, The only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Then. 1 in this column. 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, we have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright, 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then. Three missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. We see here 3 and 8 in this column, 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. That 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 3. 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. Okay. Alright. Then. Yeah. I'm thinking. How about these 3 numbers in this column? Those missing numbers in this column are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. We have a 3 and a 5 in the third row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. Alright. 9 in this row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the 8 in this row? The 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this first row, 2 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. A final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you, 15 to 20 minutes I need for solving a 2 stars Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Yes, practice still continues. Yes, daily practice. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium, for the heavy, for the light Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the letter Sudoku, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus I have. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. If you like this puzzle, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes, daily practice continues. We will meet again, later on in the evening with the other puzzles. I think I will start with the Monday edition of November the 8th. Yes. Until then, bye-bye for now. Yeah, it's weekend.